Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Holiday Inn Express Hotel and Suites Millington-Memphis Area, an IHG hotel. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. This hotel is 2.6 miles from Interstate 269 and a 20-minute drive from downtown Memphis. It serves a breakfast every morning and has an indoor pool and fitness center. Rooms at Holiday Inn Express Hotel and Suites Millington-Memphis Area are decorated in warm earth tones and have cable TV and free Wi-Fi. They are equipped with a microwave and a refrigerator. The Millington-Memphis Area Holiday Inn has a 24-hour front desk and a business center. Coin laundry facilities are also on site. Holiday Inn Express Hotel and Suites Memphis is 20 miles from the Memphis Zoo. The National Civil Rights Museum is a 20-minute drive. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.